doing? What are you doing? What's everyone's problem?
He's out there helping survivors of Grenfell do a Christmas show, right? And
superficially, that looks good.
It's not being filmed, which is the only way you'd do it.
That's right. Social, political, innovative, direct. Well, that's
He could have come up with a better list of words because that
an acronym.
and then a better
Acronym.
Acronyms.
An acronym. Yeah. Acronym. I think you say an acronym.
Follow the lane, you idiot.
Because I've only ever heard an
Yeah,
acronym.
you're in the wrong lane.
But it's acronym.
Look at the lane marking.
Well, I know why we're attacking me and
No, we're not. We're
a
attacking the
group of
company.
people.
You're in the wrong lane.
That company, mate, is out there now helping young people.
Let's do a big draw, I think.
Noel Gallagher's coming. G will be there. It's going to be on a Sunday. Oh, Noel Gallagher won't be there. Good.
Busy. Try and face
But Ed Staff slows us
Yeah.
down. You want Ed Staff at Day Night? Summarise the show now in the form of a poem and in honour of G, who's doing great work as an ambassador.
More hygienic.
Pound coins are more hygienic than pound notes.
That's right, yes.
All right, but we still have £5 notes and £10 notes.
Yes, yes.
I didn't think you were going to be able to. Well, you did do it, but I thought you were leaving a bit late. That's why I was thinking.
Yeah, a bit weird. We just flew into the jet stream of the previous plane, just causing a bit of.
Do you know what I mean?
You are brilliant.
It's nice. What is it?
No. Advice. The song is advice.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Jack continues.
Don't think because there's a ring on your finger, you need try anymore.
What is going on is a worry. And there's a man and he has a broken arm. I don't know where. A broken arm is a really good detail, but it's true. He stands there and he goes, "Hey, you're here. We're just about to start." And I go, "Okay." And I look. It's a living room. It's his living room. And
We've always got the ladies of the night. For company, by the way. It's
Hello,
for company.
To chat.
No, I went straight to sleep.
And hey, Biff, do you want me and the girls to come around about midnight?
Wheelie chairs, and he's guiding his way down the side of the studio, which is actually a very smart move, and one that will hopefully. Okay, his bottom was showing, which he's a little bit worried about, but that's alright, it's a nice bottom.
So, I had 4 wrong words in there. Dominic had 3. Which means that Helen, you have won!
Yay! Oh my god,
In a pub form, Donald Trump would be good. I'm thinking more Vernon Kay.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
He has very, very interesting stories about his days as a model.
He gets lively when he's had a few drinks.
Yeah,
as
he
well,
does.
This old Vernon.
He'd be really good.
It can be a radio.
Up and up and up. And then, like, you know, there were sort of interviews with people that had met the colouring pencils being broadcast on big screens.
Morning, Alan. That's true.
morning.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry
I've
Christmas
told
to you.
Alan to a Facebook Living, so no rude hand gestures.
I would
Yes.
never do that.
Know what you like.
Now, Alan,
We did the same one.
ask me how I'm feeling.
How are you feeling?
I'm walking in the air.
Sorry.
You hadn't said that.
Oh.
Absolutely right.
You're going to sing it as well, probably in the next minute, I would say.
No.
So who
But
wants
we are going to play a round of Guess the Hymn.